BioBreakthroughs, your weekly dose of science. So fresh, it's still got its safety goggles on. Let's go. Let's kick things off with a story that could change how we make humans. Imagine having a baby using your skin cell. Wild, it's closer than you think. Scientists in Japan, California have been refining in vitro gametogenesis, turning adult human cells into eggs and sperms. Experts predict that it could be ready for clinical use in 5 to 10 years. This could revolutionize fertility, allowing same-sex couples, cancer survivors, and older adults to have biological children. But it also comes with big ethical questions: designer babies, embryo selection, and more. But forget dating apps. In 2035, your match might just be a petri dish. But did you know Conception Biosciences have already begun animal trials and aim to push for human IVG through regulatory testing by 2027? Now, from future babies to creatures that already broke biology, let's talk about sea spiders. The genome of the sea spider was sequenced for the first time, revealing how these oddball marine creatures evolved organs in their legs instead of their torso. Researchers also discovered missing Hox genes, helping explain their unusual symmetry and structure. Think of them as the minimalist of the animal kingdom. Sea spiders, proof you can skip leg day, if your legs are your day. But did you know their hearts are so weak that their legs help pump blood? Evolution really said, walk it off. Speaking of nature's quirks, ever wonder if we could teach plants to work smarter? Well, scientists gave photosynthesis a power-up. MIT researchers have upgraded ribisco, the enzyme that powers photosynthesis, to work faster and more efficiently. That's a big deal. Ribisco is notoriously slow, limiting crop growth. Supercharging it could mean higher yields, more food, and better CO2 capture. Farmers in the future might harvest corn and climate credits. But did you know ribisco is the most abundant protein on Earth and arguably the laziest, of course, until now? And while plants are getting upgraded, so are we. A new CRISPR therapy is making cholesterol crumble. CRISPR Therapeutics have just released phase 1 data from a groundbreaking in vivo gene editing trial. By targeting ANGPTL3, they slashed cholesterol up to 81% LDL reduction and 82% triglyceride drop, with no serious side effects. The treatment edits the gene directly inside the body, making it one of the most promising cardiovascular biotech trials to date. This could be a game changer for heart disease. It's like statins, but with a PhD and a pair of molecular scissors. Did you know ANGPTL3 helps regulate fat in the body, and disabling it may help prevent heart attacks entirely? From cutting cholesterol to healing wounds, and fast. Meet the new spray that could replace bandages. Biotech company Eluciderm got FDA approval to begin trials on ELU-42, a spray-on wound therapy officially heading to clinical trials. This WNT modulating spray could promote faster healing without painful grafts, offering hope to those with diabetic ulcers and chronic wounds. A spray-on wound therapy that stimulates tissue regeneration. This means the future of first aid might be point spray regenerate. But did you know the WNT pathway is a major player in embryonic development, and scientists are now hijacking it to heal adults? Okay, let's take a turn from biology to quantum weirdness. What if you could reverse entanglement? Scientists just did. Physicists at the University of Warsaw have created an entanglement battery that can reverse quantum entanglement, a previously impossible feat in quantum thermodynamics. This breakthrough could open new doors in quantum computing, encryption, and energy science. It's like undoing a cosmic handshake with math. But did you know some physicists thought this broke the laws of physics? It didn't, it just rewrote them. Back to the body, and this time your kidneys are the heroes. One therapy is helping them heal, using themselves. Pro-Kidneys Rilparencel, a regenerative therapy using a patient's own kidney cells, improved function in chronic kidney disease. Patients in phase 2 trials. If successful, this could reduce the need for dialysis or transplants. A second chance for your kidneys from your kidneys. But did you know it boosted filtration and cut inflammation, which is a rare combo? And finally, let's zoom out. US biotech is booming, but also under pressure. Boston's biotech scene is reeling from policy shifts under Trump's administration, tighter FDA approvals, lower NIH funding, and tougher drug pricing. Meanwhile, Novotech won Global CRO of the Year, and Gallant raised $18 million for stem cell treatments for pets. Biotech stocks are riding roller coasters, but even the dogs are getting stem cells now. But did you know the US is taking public comments to modernize biotech regulations, which are open until July 16th? That's the roundup, but which BioBreakthrough got your mind buzzing? From lab-made life to spray-on healing and quantum trickery, the future's not just coming, it's clinical trials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Links to all sources are in the description. See you next week, and remember, biology doesn't sleep, so we'll stay curious for you.